Good day everyone. For today's video, we're going to talk about oceanic art and architecture. We're going to define what is oceanic art and architecture, its example, general characteristics, and techniques. So first, I am going to define for you the meaning of oceanic art and architecture. It is the visual art and architecture of native ocean, including the media, such as sculpture, pottery, rock art, basically mask, painting, personal decoration. And cultures, art, and architecture have often been closely connected. For example, of storehouse, meeting house are often decorated with elaborate carvings, and they are presented together in this discussion. Meaning to say, yung mga halimbawa ng nabanggit kong oceanic art is such as the sculpture, pottery, rock art, and basically mask, and including the painting. While the best example of oceanic architecture are those meeting houses and tour houses na madidiscuss natin sa videong ito. Oceanian architecture was executed on a small scale relative to that urban civilizations. And characteristics, traditional Oceanian buildings are typically square or rectangular structures with gabled pyramidal roofs. The largest buildings are open serves for the residences of chefs and public halls. Yung tinatawag nating Oceanian architectures ay kalimitang square and rectangular yung shape niya na merong bobong na pyramidal or yung three sides of pyramid, kalimitang pyramid yung shape ng bobong ng sinasabing mga houses, storehouses, and meeting houses, which is the Oceanian architecture. For saying and the question how Oceanians are unique, it is because that crafted ritual purposes for a large proportion of oceanic art as associated with spiritual properties and made from both hard and soft wood. Depending on its geographic origin, it can also be ornately established with detailed carvings, feather beds, or shells. Yung mga ibang klase naman ng storehouses, meeting houses, or yung iba't ibang uri ng ocean architecture na mga houses ay ginagamit sa mga spiritual purposes. Kung baga, ginagamit nila ito sa kanilang pagsasamba or pananalig sa kanilang pinaniniwalaang Diyos. And usually, yung design nito or yung mga techniques na ginagamit dito ay kalimitang ginagamitan daw ng feathers for carvings, beads, or shells. And kalimitan ding maaring hard and soft wood or kahoy. Other material like timber, other plant materials are the primary traditional Oceanian constructions for material. And the best example of Oceanian architecture is the most famous specific type of Oceanian architecture is the Maori meeting house. The Maori are the indigenous people of New Zealand. Yung tinatawag na Maori ay yung mga taong nakatira or the indigenous people na nakatira in the New Zealand. And the Maori meeting house is yung type ng Oceanian architecture wherein sa New Zealand matatagpuan at doon nakatira yung tinatawag na indigenous people of New Zealand, which is the Maori. Given the sample Oceanian architecture pictures of Maori meeting house as shown in these videos. But for more information and details about this example, which is the Maori meeting house, we'll be able to discuss in the next video of Miss Bernadette Belgrado. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.